Hi everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this tutorial we're gonna learn how you can change your currency in Squarespace. Alright, so make sure to log into your Squarespace account. So in your dashboard, click on the Squarespace website you want to change currency on. So I'm gonna change it on this one. So I'm just gonna click on this title. Alright, so in the left sidebar, we see this one, Commerce. Click on that. So under Commerce, we're gonna go down in the left sidebar to Payments under Setup. So let's click on Payments. Okay, so under Payments, we're gonna go all the way down to this one, Settings, Store Currency. So right now we have USD. If I go down, we can see that we have USD right here. So to change this, just click on Store Currency. So under Currency, we have this drop-down menu. Click on that. And now choose your own currency. So let's say I want to have Euro. Like that. Go up to the top left corner. Click on Save. And this will update your currency. So as you can see, we now have Euro instead of USD. Okay everyone, so this is how you can change currency on Squarespace. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this video helped you out. If you like this one, you can give thumbs up, you can leave a comment below. You can also subscribe to my channel right here for more of these videos. And please check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.